The main bodice is drafted from this borderline. On the shoulder line, mark half the shoulder measurement. Here it is 7 inches. From the shoulder line, mark the chest line. The bust divided by 6 plus 2.5. Rule a line to connect. Place the shoulder again on the chest line to get a straight armhole line. Come down from the chest line by 1.5 inch. Rule a line. From the shoulder line, mark the under bust length. Here it is 14.5. Mark the front half length. Here is 17.5. Rule a line as well. Label the lines for easy identification. Slope the shoulder by 1 inch. Divide the distance between the shoulder slope and chest line to get the mid armhole. The resulting inches is 4. This same 4 inches represents the bust span. Place on the nipple line, waistline and full length. Connect with a straight line. Mark the neck width as 3 inches, neck depth 3 inches. Draw the neck curve. Rule the shoulder slope. On the mid armhole, come in by 0.75 inch. Following these statistics, then draw the armhole tightening line. On the half length, open up the dart by 0.5 inch on both sides. From the bust point, draw the dart leg. Come down by 6 inches from the half length to mark the dart stop point. Complete the dart leg plotting as shown. On the chest line, mark quarter of the bust circumference. On the half length, quarter of the waist circumference. Replace the dart intake. On the full length, the top circumference divided by 4 as well. Connect the side line with slight curves as shown. Draw the armhole curve. Go up by 1 inch at the side hem and connect to the dart line. The half length of the front is 17.5 inch and the back is 15 inches. Mark the difference of 2.5 inch below the bust span line. Connect to the bust point with a straight line. For the back block, the armhole line, shoulder and chest line has been drafted. Mark the back half length of 15 inches from the shoulder line and rule a line across. The top length is 26 because of the 2 inches difference between the half length of the front and back. Neck width 3 inches by neck depth 1.5 inch. Shoulder slope 0.5 inch. Mark the mid armhole of 4 inch. Come in by 0.5 inch for the tightening. Connect the line from the shoulder tip. On the half length, come in by 1 inch on the center back. Connect a line from the neck depth to the back tightening, and from 9 inch downwards from the half length, complete the back tightening line. Come down by 1 inch from the chest line. Rule a line across. This time, the bust dart is 4 inches plus 1 due to the back tightening intake. Mark 5 inches on different positions. Rule the dart line. Open the dart leg by 0.5 inch on both sides. Come down by 5.5 inches from the half length. Connect the dart legs as shown. Mark all horizontal measurements. Remember to add the dart allowance to the waist measurement. Connect the side lines. Complete the armhole curve. Taper by 1 inch the hem. The main bodice of the back pattern is complete.